Today we're going to be looking at these indicators here, so without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're going extremely well. My name is David and welcome back to my channel where we go through profitable trading strategies. Today we're going to be looking at a couple of new indicators that I've found on TradingView that look extremely promising. We're going to be building a pullback strategy, something that I haven't looked at in a long while. So I hope you're enjoying me. Over on my screen where we're going to be looking at the indicators today, I'm going to be putting a trading plan together using the NNFX trading model, which has been extremely profitable for me for the past couple of years. I will go through the full plan and all of the indicators involved, and then if you want to come back and join me on Wednesday, we'll also do the back test on plenty of different pairs just to see whether this trading strategy is profitable and could be potentially traded on live markets. Okay, let's get over to the screen. Let's have a look at these new indicators that we haven't seen before. And may I ask one thing in return, if you don't mind giving the video a good old like, and don't forget to subscribe. I do videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday about profitable trading strategies, and in return I will do my absolute best to reply to every single comment that you guys put down in the comment section. Okay, let's get over to my screen. Let's have a look at today's indicators and what's involved. Okay, here I am on TradingView. I'm on Euro USD. As you can see, we're going to start by adding some indicators. First indicator that we're going to be adding is the Magic TC Pullback. The Magic TC Pullback, you can go to the indicators here and type in Magic TC Pullback. If you don't have it yet, just go over to davidtech.com, go up to the top here and click on free indicators. You'll be able to find it in the list here. It is a baseline indicator. Click on that, add it to your favorites, and you'll easily be able to find it. So we're going to be searching for Magic TC Pullback by David Tech just here, this one here. We're going to add it to our charts and it looks something like this. This indicator is based on one of my favorite indicators, and that is the T3. It helps us to detect trend direction and is considered our baseline. We are going to be following, as always, the NNFX plan. We're going to be looking for one indicator to give us the baseline being our trend direction, and then we'll add a couple of other indicators for confirmation, one indicator for a stop loss, and then we'll also add an indicator for exiting our trading strategy in profit, hopefully. Okay, as you can see, the TC indicator has two bands here. Let me remove a couple of them so we can have a look very quickly. The first line here, as you can see, is our slow T3 moving average. When price is above it, the indicator is turning green and we're looking for longs. We then have a second T3 which creates this cloud here, allowing us to detect pullbacks. So our first T3 is set to 5 and 0.7. Our second T3 is 18 and 0.7 as the factor. What we're looking for here, the slower moving average here to be green, price to be above it. Then we're looking for a pullback where the fast moving average goes red and then turns back to green. This is also indicated by our background. Just here, just like that. Now if we actually remove the crossover, it will tell you where your trade should be entered and exited. So as you can see by the background, we can tell that the pullback is over and we are back into the trend. And as always with the T3, it looks extremely profitable. As you can see just here, it gave us an absolutely fantastic entry and does extremely well, as always, as we would expect with the T3. So that is the Magic TC Pullback. Obviously, as always, we're going to add a couple of indicators for confirmation. Our second indicator is going to be the modern trend indicator. This one just here by Dude Owns. We're going to click on it here. It's going to add it to the bottom of our chart. Now this indicator looks very much like the TradingView indicator, has many more thresholds, but as you can see, I've added a green background as we cross over. We're just looking for the two green backgrounds to overline. I'm just going to go back over here and we're going to remove the cost confirmation over here. So we're just looking for the green backgrounds to overline. We're looking for the Magic TC to go green background, whilst the MTI indicator is also green background. This would have confirmed this entry just here, giving us a absolutely fantastic entry confirmed by both indicators. That gives us our two indicators. We have a pullback confirmation and a confirmation indicator. We're now going to add a volume indicator. Now the volume indicator we're going to be using is the Hawkeye volume indicator, this one just here by AA Monkey. We're going to click on that, and that's going to add our indicator to the bottom of our charts. As you can see, the Hawkeye is just a simple volume indicator, except for when there's extreme volume in the market, the candles go green, and we're looking for them to be above this EMA. If we go over to the cog section here, I actually changed the length to 200 and the divisor to 4.6, which gives us a couple more entries and confirms a little bit better our trend. Okay, so our indicator giving us this candle just here as our entry. Hopefully if we look down, we can see that the MTI is green as well, as it is. We're looking for the HV to be green as well, the Hawkeye volume indicator to be green as well, and for that candle to be above that MA as it is. So we're going to take our first entry just here on this candle just here. Now we're going to be using a stop loss indicator in this plan. The stop loss indicator is going to be Kev Dev Stop indicator by H Popper. We're going to add it to our charts, and that's going to be our stop indicator, our stop loss. As you can see, it's slightly different to what we're used to. It adds kind of a band. Let me remove the other indicators so we can see it here. It adds a kind of a band. We're actually going to be only using two of these bands here. We're going to be using the value 4 and the value 2. So my idea here is to set the stop loss to the lower band, the yellow band, when we're in long. And then we're going to trail our stop loss until a candle actually closes below, completely below the actual level 2. That would have given us a trade that would have got us out on this candle just here. Before going into a consolidation period, this would have given us 62 pips and a risk to reward of 2.27. So it looks absolutely brilliant. I love the look of this strategy. It has a whole set of new indicators. I'm trying to move away from the ATR bands and the Trendidio and the T3s that I'm used to, just to try and find something a little bit different. I'm also going to be trying to trail our stop losses to try and find something slightly different for the future. I'm also looking for some mean reversion indicators and strategies. If you guys have got any suggestions, I'd love to know down in the comments below. Don't forget, I also give away 1 million bonk to a random comment in every single video. That's what I'm going to be doing next. So let's get back to my computer and give away 1 million bonk. Okay, I'm going to be giving away 1 million bonk to a random comment from this video just here. There were 48 comments. Let's go. Guys, once a week I'm going to be giving away $500 to the most viewed clip of this video or any video of David Tick from this week. Whoever has the most viewed TikTok or YouTube short using this video or the videos from this week, I will send you $500. This is every week and going to be going on throughout the whole of this month and probably for the foreseeable future. You can post as many times as you want. You must tag my TikTok or YouTube username, and you must add David Tick in the title and in the description. I look forward to seeing all your clips, and I look forward to seeing the winners. Let's go. Boom! Congratulations to you, Rick. You've just won 1 million bonk. Don't forget to reach out to me or Vlad inside of Discord. And without further ado, guys, I'm going to invite you to come and watch the backtesting results on Wednesday, where I'm going to be backtesting it on several pairs. Hopefully, it's going to give us some good results. Only time will tell. I will also put it into live trading to see how it actually works on live markets. Without further ado, guys, have a wonderful week. Take care, keep safe, trade like a boss, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.